Hello viewers, welcome to Android tutorial for beginners. Today I will describe about Android UI control. So there are so many UI control provided by Android that allow you to build graphical user interface for your apps. So the text view, one of the UI control. Text view. This control uh, is used to display the any kind of text as like label, header. You can anywhere use in text view. This is the UI control. Another is edit text. Edit text is a free-defined subclass of text view that include rich editing capability. Autocomplete text view. The autocomplete text view is similar to edit text except that it shows the list of completion suggestion automatically when user is typing. Another is button, a push button that can be pressed or clicked by the user to perform an action. Image button. The image button is absolute layout which enable you to specify the exact location of children. This show a button with an image inside of text that can be pressed or clicked by the user. Checkbox, and often on and off switch that can be toggled by the user. You should use checkbox when presenting user with a group of selectable options that are not mutually exclusive. Toggle button, off on button with light indicator. Radio button. The radio button has two stated. It says either check or uncheck. Radio group. A radio group is used to group together one or more radio button. Progress bar. The progress bar views provide visual feedback about some ongoing tasks, such as when you are performing a task in the background. Spanner. Spanner is a drop down. A spanner, a drop down list that allow user to select one value from a set. Time picker, or the time picker view enable user to select a time of the day, either 24 hours mode or AM PM mode. Date picker, the date picker view enable user to select a date of the day. So this is the common UI control of Android. This common UI control use the graphical user interface when you design the apps. This basic component you will need. Next video we will describe and will show example the text view, edit text, and rest of component I will describe, and I will show the example of the UI control. So today I have shown the basic component of UI control of Android. So this component will need the UI design of Android app. Thank you.